Question 25. A and B are straight lines. The line A has equation 2y equals 3x plus 8, and line B goes through points minus 1, 2 and 2, 8. Do lines A and B intersect? You must show all your working. So to answer this question, you need to know something about gradients. And what we know about gradients and intersecting lines is that all lines will intersect providing their gradients are not the same. So just to illustrate, if you have two lines that have the same gradient, they will be parallel, so like train tracks, and they'll never cross. But if their gradients are not the same, then the lines will cross. So we have to look at the information provided, work out the gradients, and see what we find out. So we'll start with A. So A, we've got the equation 2y equals 3x plus 8. So to find the gradient, we need to make y the subject. So y will equal 3x over 2 plus 8 over 2, which is 4. And this part is the gradient. So the gradient of m, so let's call it ma, is 3 over 2. Now, if we go to our second line, we've been given the 2 points. Now, the gradient of 2 points has the formula: take the second y value, subtract the first y value from the coordinates given, and divide that by the second x value, subtract the first x value. And that will give us the gradient of b. So m of b then will equal, well, y2 is 8 and 2, so it's 8 subtract 2 divided by 2, that's the second x value, subtract minus 1. So 8 minus 2 is 6, and 2 minus 1, so be careful there, gives me 3. And 6 over 3 equals 2. So we can see that our gradients of A is 3 over 2, or 1.5. The gradient of B is 2. So they are not the same. So we're looking at this type of example, and so the lines do intersect. So the answer is yes. They intersect. And that's the answer.